I understand the concept, but we do need to place abstract at class and at the method level to make something abstract. The answer is yes. Now, you will have to put it at the method level, obviously, because there's, well, you can still have normal methods within a class, even if you have other abstract classes. But the way that C# works, and this isn't true for C++, for example, but the way C# works is that if you have any abstract members, you must also add the abstract modifier to the beginning of the class. Otherwise, it won't compile.
And remember, abstract classes cannot be instantiated.
Can you just have a list of things that animals can do and have them be numbered, and then have the user pick the number for what they want the pet to do? Yes, that's acceptable.